Hi, I'm Gretchen Anderson, Advanced Master Gardener with the University of Idaho and educated for D&B Supply, and I'm out here with my squash today, my butternut squash. I'm excited about this because there seems to be a lot of blooms and a lot of fruit coming on, but what I've also noticed is I have squash bugs. I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to get rid of the squash bugs. Here we go. You take duct tape, and this is because I have an organic garden, so I don't put anything on this, but if you want, you can do otherwise, but if you're doing organic, take a look. Here's some squash bug eggs right there, right there. We're gonna get rid of those by taking the duct tape, putting it on there, and pulling them off. Little by little, they come off. And it's actually, this is a better morning routine to do. You can get them off much easier. There's some down in that little corner, and that's going to challenge me. But in the morning, it's nice and cool, and you can come and do this manual method. If you can't get them all, I say just peel them off with your fingernail and make sure that you put them in a proper place for disposal. But that's the idea, is to just look under the leaves for the squash bug eggs. You'll find them, and grab your duct tape. It's a quick tip to get rid of what might be eating your plants later. Happy gardening.